Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the Dividend Retirement Blueprint for monthly income and how investors can build a more reliable dividend income stream for retirement through careful planning, reinvestment, diversification, and disciplined withdrawals. To begin with, the first step is to set a clear retirement income goal. Estimate how much money you may need every month to cover housing, food, healthcare, utilities, transportation, insurance, travel, and other personal expenses. For example, if you expect to need $4,000 per month, your annual retirement income target would be $48,000. Setting a specific target gives your investment plan a clear direction and makes it easier to track progress. Next, calculate the approximate portfolio size needed to generate that income. A simple formula is to divide the desired annual dividend income by the expected dividend yield. For example, if your annual income goal is $48,000 and the portfolio produces an average dividend yield of 4%, the estimated required portfolio would be around $1.2 million. However, dividend yields may change over time, so using conservative assumptions can provide a stronger safety margin. After that, focus on choosing quality dividend-paying stocks. Look for profitable companies with stable revenue, dependable cash flow, manageable debt, and a history of maintaining or increasing dividends. It is also important to examine the payout ratio, because a company that distributes too much of its earnings may struggle to maintain its dividend during difficult periods. Therefore, investors should focus on dividend quality and sustainability rather than simply choosing the highest available yield. Furthermore, diversify the portfolio across different sectors. Dividend income can come from healthcare companies, utilities, consumer staples, real estate investment trusts, financial institutions, industrial businesses, and other areas of the economy. Diversification helps reduce the impact of a dividend cut from one company or one sector. When one part of the market faces pressure, income from other industries may help support the overall portfolio. Then, build a more consistent monthly income stream. Many companies pay dividends quarterly, while some investments may follow monthly, semi-annual, or annual schedules. By combining holdings with different payment months, investors may create more regular cash flow throughout the year. However, payment timing should not be the only selection factor. The financial strength and dividend sustainability of each investment remain more important than the month in which it pays. Meanwhile, reinvest dividends before retirement whenever possible. Dividend reinvestment uses the cash received to purchase additional shares. These new shares may then generate additional dividends, creating a compounding effect. Over many years, this process can increase the number of shares owned and significantly expand future monthly income. Reinvestment can be especially valuable during the accumulation stage, when the investor is still working and does not yet need the dividend payments for living expenses. In addition, manage investment risk, taxes, and inflation carefully. Review payout ratios, company debt levels, dividend growth, and changes in business performance. Tax treatment may also affect the actual amount of income received, so retirement planning should consider after-tax cash flow. At the same time, inflation can gradually reduce purchasing power. For this reason, a portfolio that includes companies capable of increasing dividends may provide better long-term protection than a portfolio focused only on current yield. It is also wise to maintain an emergency reserve. Unexpected medical bills, home repairs, market downturns, or temporary dividend reductions can place pressure on retirement income. A cash safety buffer may reduce the need to sell investments during unfavorable market conditions. This reserve can also help retirees manage irregular expenses without disrupting the long-term portfolio strategy. As retirement approaches, investors can gradually shift from full dividend reinvestment to receiving dividend payments as cash. Instead of automatically purchasing more shares, the dividends may be transferred into a bank or cash management account for living expenses. This transition should normally happen only after confirming that the portfolio produces sufficient income with a reasonable safety margin. Once retirement begins, withdraw dividend income with discipline. Use the cash flow to support planned living expenses while regularly reviewing the portfolio's income, spending, and financial health. Avoid increasing expenses too quickly after a strong year, because dividends are not guaranteed and companies may reduce or suspend payments. A flexible spending plan can help protect the portfolio during periods of weaker income. The main formulas shown in this blueprint are simple but useful. Annual dividend income equals the number of shares multiplied by the dividend paid per share. The required portfolio can be estimated by dividing desired annual income by the expected dividend yield. Monthly dividend income can then be estimated by dividing annual dividend income by 12. These calculations provide a starting point, although real-world results may be affected by taxes, dividend changes, market prices, and inflation. The retirement income journey follows a clear process. First, invest in financially strong dividend-paying assets. Next, earn dividend payments from those investments. Then, reinvest the dividends during the accumulation years to increase share ownership. After that, gradually begin receiving monthly cash flow as retirement approaches. Finally, use the growing income stream to support greater financial freedom. Ultimately, the core principles are consistency, quality, diversification, and patience. Invest regularly, prioritize strong businesses, spread risk across sectors, and allow compounding enough time to work. Dividend investing is not risk-free, and monthly income is never guaranteed. However, a carefully planned and well-managed dividend portfolio may help create a more dependable retirement income stream over the long term. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.